Oh well, might as well do this fast. I still got a few shorts. Hold on. Ah. Getting too old. Oh, that's a little bitter. This is my 10 questions for quarantine. First question. How many rolls of toilet paper? I have 150. This one that started at March 19th. I have 6-quart mason jars. 6-quart mason jars. Let's see. Of toilet tabs, those little paper things. 20 washcloths and a bidet. Number 2. Like I said, a lot of people are like, why so much toilet paper? I have 12 families to look out after. So I get a brick. I had 5 bricks. Now currently what I have in toilet paper, it's down to about, well, my nephew always took a pack of toilet paper. So I think it's about 60 to, about 60. I think I got 60 left since this whole started, and I got to replace them again. I always keep 150. I know my family. And it says, Uncle, there's no toilet paper at the store. I keep saying, use a pine cone. They kind of look at me and frown. Okay, biggest change, I miss my medical appointments. And I miss my medical appointments and my therapy. I do get physical therapy because my left side's always giving me a problem. Now everybody in my family needs my help, and it's extended family too. What I'm grateful for, I'm still alive. I have some minor problems, like I said before, my car got vandalized. I pulled my mom out of the nursing home around January or December. Not going to have that. So my mom's still alive, I'm still alive. I'm keeping it that way. Let's see. What do I miss going out with? Let's see. I think it's strippers and fast food. And where I'm located at, well, I guess this was an RV question. I'm in Visalia. That's when most of my money ran out, and I ended this position. That I did my research, and I'm in a really good position. So I'm set. I had everything planned out. This was like 5 years ago, carefully planned out everything. But I do miss my strippers, and I do miss my fast food. And let's see, producing. My garden's always growing, so I don't have to worry about that. Let's see. I think it was number 6, I'm not too sure. Spending time with my lady friends and eating out. I also have computer problems. I just got it now fixed. I still got a few bugs I got to work out on. Real camping, I think it was 2007. Van camping was 2009. And that was living in a van down by the river. Maybe, I think last time I went camping was number 7, 2017. My favorite foods, pancakes and bacon, cheese and bacon, good boiled or roasted goat head. How am I exercising? I do my walks, katas. Let's see what the doctor gave me. They gave me a little note thing. It's always, here it is. I do a minute of squats, 30 seconds of push-ups, 30 seconds of the mountain climber. They said not to do it on the wall, do it on the floor. Minute of lunges, and 45 seconds of jumping jacks. because they don't want to cause another stroke. So I got to do that routine until I get back to therapy. And also, I'm trying to lose weight. When I started this, I already lost about 36 pounds. When I was inside, I gained a little bit of weight. A lot of weight. So I lost 36 pounds. I gained 42 back. That's mostly around my gut, and a little bit on my chest, and a little bit on the face. Panic buying. Nothing. I didn't eat anything. So that's my 10 questions. I hope I got it right, because I wrote down the answers. I read this down. So this is from Corsair Trainer, Palmetto Prepared, Delaware Patriot, Crazy Scotsman, Wayne G. Like I said, I've been ready for a year and a half. Unfortunately, my family wasn't, and some of my extended friends. In a later video, I'll show you what I set up for today. And it's like, Uncle Alan ran out of toilet paper. Well, go to the store. They're all out. The shelves are vacant. Well, where's your supply? What supply, Uncle Alan? We live in an apartment. You know, it's like I get a lot of stupid answers. Also, Uncle Alan gets really tired. Mom can't cook. Can you cook us food? There's no bread out there. You know how much flour I went through this last 3 months? I went through 160 pounds of my prep stores. Okay, that's including my pantry. Making bread for tortillas and other stuff for 12 families. That's my family. And a few extended family friends. So I'm going to take off the hat. Which kind of drives me nuts. So anyway, I like to say hello to Ray of Urban Grandpa Prepper. Getting old. All these folks right here. And I think I got everybody. Let's see, I got Bill. Everybody pray for Bill. And Dave of Southern Ohio Prepping and Prescott. And finally, Adventures of Frank and Tina. Again, all these people right here. I did have a box. I don't remember where I put it at. And I'll do it in the next video. So that's my 10 question one. So I'll catch you later, folks. I got a lot of work I got to catch up on YouTube and stuff. And my family, they got me I think it's a 5G phone. I never used these things before. So it has all the apps and stuff. So I'm still trying to figure out how to use it. Don't know how to, I never used it. And the phone I used before, God, that was so old, it's like little tiny, yeah, and it flips. So I'll show you that in the next video. I'll catch you later, folks.